AI has been moving far beyond simple chat interfaces. Developers are now building autonomous agents, multi agent systems, and AI workflows using different tools and frameworks. At Google I/O, Google shared its vision for next phase of this evolution, focusing on making agent-based systems more practical and scalable for real-world use. Google is not just building smarter AI models. The focus is on systems that can actually take actions. With the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform and Antigravity, developers can build agents that plan tasks, use tools, and collaborate with other agents. These agents are designed to handle long and complex workflows with less manual control. For developers, the key part is Agent Development Kit or ADK. It supports Python, TypeScript, Go, and Java. If you want to learn this property, Google provides structured learning content at skill.google. You can start from the basics and gradually move toward building real agent systems and workflows. Agentic AI is becoming one of the biggest shifts in how software is built. It is not just about using AI tools. It is about building systems that can think, plan, and act on their own. If you are a developer or interested in AI, this is the right time to explore. Try building with ADK and explore skill.google. The future of software is becoming autonomous.